Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Monday took stock of the situation following a massive thunderstorm across Meghalaya. The Chief Minister has advised all the Deputy Commissioners to immediately take necessary steps. He said the Deputy Commissioners can take steps at their very own level in terms of distribution of basic relief material as well as different housing support. It may be mentioned that Ribhoi district has been one of the most affected districts with over 200 people affected. In East and West Khasi Hills district, 563 houses in the 38 villages were affected, and the Deputy Commissioner has moved those affected to makeshift arrangements.
Asked to immediately take necessary steps as a policy measure. Last year we had taken steps to decentralize the implementation of the relief process, and so now the Deputy Commissioners do not have to come to the state for any kind of clearance, and they can take steps independently, decentralized at their own level